Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to make your computer local host by using Bitnami WordPress. If you are a beginner of WordPress, this is best platform for practice, because it will make your computer as a local host. Let's start. Open Internet browser and search for Bitnami download. Open first link. This is official website of Bitnami WordPress. When you click on applications, Bitnami has created a bundle of applications for web development. Let's go back to download Bitnami WordPress. Scroll down. In download section, there are 3 download buttons. First for Windows, second for Mac operating system, and third for Linux. I need for Windows. You can download with your requirements. I have already downloaded. Let's install it. Double click on it. Select your language. And click OK. Then click Next. And again Next. Select a directory where you want to install it. And click Next. Write your name in first box. And then write your email address in second box. And then login and password. These 2 sections are much more important. Fill these carefully, because this is login details to open your dashboard. Click Next. Click Next. Bitnami is being installing. It will take some minutes, because it will install WordPress on your computer. Click Allow once. OK, WordPress is installed. Click on Finish. Now to open WordPress site. Click on Access WordPress. This our site which is by default created by WordPress. To open its dashboard, go to URL. Right at the end of URL WP admin. And press Enter. Write your username and password to login. And click on Login or press Enter. OK, this is my dashboard. You can visit your site from here. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like this video and share it with others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.